Hey my friends, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can design a resume on Adobe Express. So that in my time wastage, let's into jump here. First I'm going on Adobe Express. You need to just log in here, then search bar resume. Then click on first one. Here's the lots of template already available here. So first I select free because this is my free plan. Okay, I want to import this one. Okay, already imported, done. Now edit your preference as you need. Add your phone number, email address, administrator, and you want to add your own image. Just click on refresh and upload from computer, then select this one. Okay, you can see I already added on my resume. So this is a method you can create a resume on Adobe Express. If I edit everything here, I need at least 30 minutes. So this is a simple video for you how to create a resume. I explain you. So just go to download button, then click on download. So this is a method you can design a resume on Adobe Express. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel, and if you have any questions, comment below. See you again, take care, goodbye.